laser head not in the home position. Firmware 2.2. Click hard home. It should have moved the head over to the limit switches and set the home. Click home. It says it's in the home position. It's not in the home position. Now on the previous versions, 1.4, with the limit switches installed and configured, the head hit the limit switch, I would get a limit error. I get no limit error here. Clicking the limit switches, no limit error. Machine is not seeing that the limit switches are installed. Here's an example of the framing problem. Going to hit engrave, select my G-code. This is G-code on the SD card, not the laptop. I go ahead and hit frame. It goes out, frames the position off of the board. I can see where it is because I have the little outline there. Oh, but it's completely different from my last test run. Now I go to confirm it to actually cut or do the engrave. And it goes to a completely different position than where the framing was. I'm going to stop this. Now we go to look where framing is a square and the dark black marks are where it tried to engrave. Nowhere close to being where it framed.